So we can even move further by visualizing the email that we are having. Okay, so we can categorize our email still using this same method. So how do we do that? So we can categorize emails that came to our inbox, the one that come to promotion, the one that went to our work email. So we can categorize them like that, and we can use something like, so we can do something like this by giving it a sample label. So this is just a sample. Okay, so this is just a sample, the one that is coming from work, the one that is personal, the one that is promotion, and then by their size is either it is 40, 35. Okay, so but then this is just a demo. Okay, so because I don't have my email label, it's not like this. All right, so this is just a sample. So then we are using pi. Okay, so that we will have everything equal, and for us to have equal size, we are using the axis and passing equal inside the method axis there. Okay, all right. So then we are also using title, so email category breakdown. So we can use this to get the breakdown of our email. All right, so and when we run it, let's run it after I'm done with this. So if I should I minimize or so if I close this. All right, so look at it now. So by category you can see personal email, work email, and the rest. So email category, the one that is